Hello everyone, good afternoon. Here's Savita. It is a very beautiful spring day. It's the warmest so far. I started moving the strawberries in the old hydroculture pots. These are hydroculture pots, real big ones. I have 3 different shapes of hydroculture pots. I have a round one, a hexagonal, and I have another square upstairs that I can pick up later. I used to have a jungle inside the house full of hydroculture pots, and then we don't have space for large plants anymore in the living room. And I emptied these pots many years ago. And now I decided to just drill holes on them. And I will be transferring my strawberry plants from my strawberry bed close to the berry garden in 3 different pots over here. They don't need very deep pots because they have shallow roots. It doesn't go all the way down. And I think this is a good alternative because I'd like to use the strawberry bed for tomatoes this year. My husband gave me this hand drill because he can't find his electric hand drill. It's not bad. It's easy. I finally dug out my problem rose. And I will be planting a tree peony in white. So guys, I wasn't able to finish filming yesterday because I had to run some errands, but I finished working here. I planted the tree peony in white as a replacement for my problem rose that I took off. There it is. I planted my cypress, topiary cypress, that I rescued from the county yard waste area where I sometimes go to bring big branches and foliage that I don't like to put in my compost. It was so dry, very few foliage, and now look at it. It surprised me with very beautiful foliage, and I planted it here. I will not be forming it this year. I will wait until it put out more foliage, and maybe next year I will be forming it into a spherical form. And it's really nice, guys, to be able to rescue some plants that I didn't buy. And yeah, it just makes me happy, and it will thrive here in my garden for sure. And I also transferred the obelisk that was holding the problem rose to the back and planted a clematis, a blue flowering clematis. I know that clematis grows really fast, and will take over if I'd let it. That's why I put it there with the obelisk, so I can just cut around whenever it starts growing too fast. Okay guys, I think that's it for now, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye now.